People from all over the world come to Washington, D.C. When I'm at work, I love eating lunch outside. I like to watch people walking by. They all look very different. Today, my friend Ashley is eating lunch with me. Ashley, today the weather is beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Ooh, we have to return to work.
No, we have time. Let's people watch a little more.
Okay.
The weather is beautiful, isn't it? Now you try it.
Yes, it is. Now you try it.
Oh, I know her. She works in my office. Kiana, hi. Come and join us.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm doing great. Kiana, this is my friend Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
We need to return to work, but the weather is beautiful and people watching is fun.
I love people watching too.
Well, have a seat. It is fun to see how people are different or the same.
It is. For example, Anna, you are tall, but Ashley and I are short.
And Kiana, you and Ashley have brown eyes. I have blue eyes.
You two have black skin and I have dark skin.
Ashley, you have straight hair. Kiana and I have curly hair.
You have very curly hair, Anna.
I need to return to work. See you, Anna. Nice to meet you, Ashley.
Bye, Kiana. Anna, I have to go too. Are you returning to work?
I still have time. And the sun feels so good.
Anna, what does your boss look like?
She is short. She has straight, light hair.
Does she wear glasses?
Yes, yes she does.
Is she wearing a blue sweater today?
What does she look like? Now you try it.
She is short. She has straight hair. Now you try it.
How do you know that?
She's coming this way.
Oh no, hide me!
Bye, Anna. Call me later.
Bye, Ashley. Talk to you later.
Anna, is that you?
Ms. Weaver, hi.
What are you doing behind that bench?
I am looking for my stick. Here it is. I am people watching. Oh, but it's time to return to work.
No need to hurry. I love people watching too. Let's sit.
Sure.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, yes it is, Miss Weaver. People watching in DC is fun. It makes me forget the time. Until next time.